Let's find out the 4 things that could be slowing down your internet. Number 1. Your router is in the wrong place. If your router is hiding, your Wi-Fi signal is playing hide and seek too. Keep it out in the open for the best signal. Number 2. Too many users and downloads. It's like everyone is trying to eat from the same ball of popcorn. Someone's hand is going to get stuck. Number 3. Viruses and malware. These nasty bugs can slow down your internet. Make sure your antivirus is up to date to keep them away. Think of it as bug spray for your computer. Number 4. Faulty and old wiring. Old or damaged wires are like trying to drink through a cracked straw. Not much gets through. Time to call the wire doctor. Follow these tips and your Wi-Fi will be faster than a rocket.